This is Chris Abbate, and this is a poem I wrote for my dog Lewis. It's called A River Flowing. I've stopped asking the dog about his day. Instead, I ponder the moon while he surveys the crescent of periwinkle around the mailbox. I carry him inside each night and hold him to know what it is like to feel everything. Tomorrow, I will commit the original sin of self-consciousness and will crease the fine tablecloth of a new day. To me, eternity is like a car passing, but to him, it is a river flowing. No wonder his life is so short. All that ecstasy, I couldn't bear it.